Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve this rotating can magic bean puzzle. And in this puzzle there's 4 oval shaped zones, so blue, red, yellow and black, and they've all got 8 of these beans in them. And in that there's like a top section with 3, a bottom section with 3, and there's also a middle section that's got 2 beans. And it's only the beans in the middle section, in this middle section here, that can be moved around into a different zone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mess up this bean puzzle, and then I'm going to show you how this puzzle is solved. Okay, so there we go. I've messed up this puzzle now, and just randomly put the beans into different sections, and I'll show you how to solve this puzzle. So to solve this puzzle, then each of those sections must have the same coloured beans in them, so black, blue, red and yellow beans. And to solve them, we need to line up a matching bean in a different zone and move the non-matching bean from the current zone, and then swap these beans. So I'll show you what that means. So we're going to make this the black section. Well, obviously in the black section we don't want any other colours but black, so I'm going to move that yellow out. And what I do first of all is I find a black in another section, and I put it there in just one off from the middle. And what you have to do is spin that around just through one section like that, swap out yellow from the black, move your black back, and then suddenly you've got one more black bean in the black section. And what you've got to do is when you move from the different sections, you've got to move from the right side of the current zone to the left side of the different zone, because this allows you to get all the matching beans in the right zone without messing up anything that you're currently doing. And I'll show you what that means. So we don't want that yellow one there. So what I'll do is I'll move the black around. So it's here, it's moving, so I'm going to move the yellow from the right side of this zone to the left side of this zone here. So I'm going to put the black there like so. Move the yellow out, swap out the black for the yellow, and then move it back, and that allows you to move that black into your current zone without messing up anything else that you've done. So if you were to move that, say for instance from the right side to the right side again, then you'll mess up the black one that's already in that in your current zone. So there's no more blacks there. Oh, there's a black here, and that's actually on the left hand side in the right position. So I'll get rid of that blue now by moving it around to there. Swap the blue for the black and move it back, and then suddenly I've got 7 blacks in the right section and only a red to get rid of. Oh, and there we go. Then I've got a black now in the matching zone, or the next zone, and push that just one offset from the middle. Spin the red around from the black zone, swap out the black and move it back, and suddenly the whole black section now has been solved. So the next one to do is the blue in the next one, and I've only got 1 blue so far. So what I'll do is I'll put that blue up there, one off, get rid of that yellow, turn it at 1, put the blue down like so, spin it back, and now suddenly I've got 2 in this new section of blues. Spin that out like so, get rid of that yellow by moving it around through 1, swap out with the blue and move it back, and now suddenly I've got 3 blues in that section. I've got to get rid of that red now. That one's there, one offset from the middle, put the red around, turn the blue, swap the blue out, or swap the blue for the red, and now there's 4 blues in that section. Just keep going. Yellow, swap for the blue out like so. Get rid of that yellow, put that down 1. Yep. Move the yellow across, pop the blue into the middle and move it out. And there's 6 blues and just 2 reds now to get rid of. My blues are over here in this section now, so I'll put that to the left side again, just one offset from the middle, move it around like so, the red that I want to get rid of, and move it back, and there we go, there's 7 blues in the right section. The red's got to come around to there, the blue's just there now, so move the blue to there, offset it 1, move the red across, swap the blue for the red, and move it back, and then suddenly the blue section is complete. Black section, blue section is all complete. Now this next one is going to be red. So I've got all these yellows that I don't want. So I'll move the red offset 1 there, and the next on the left hand side, and we'll get rid of that yellow. Move it across, up 1, swap it out, and there's 1 more red across like so. Move it down there, ready to take swap the yellow, move the yellow back from that side, move up your red, and there we go, 1 more red in there, got another yellow to get rid of, that one's in the right position there, move it over, swap it out, and there we go, suddenly I've got 6 reds in the right section, and move it down there, offset 1, swap out your yellow, and swap out the red. And now I've got 7 reds in that section, just 1 yellow to get rid of. Oops, so move it up. Oops, move it up to the right there in the middle section. Oh, a bit of trouble there. There we go. And move the red around. That's the last red in the yellow section. That's offset 1, spin it round, swap out your red, move it back, and then suddenly all the reds are in place, all the yellows in place, black, blue, and the reds are all in place. Okay, so that's how you solve the rotating can magic bean puzzle. It's a simple once you know how, and remember to practice, and you'll be able to solve this puzzle quite easily. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.